Welcome back to another video, you guys. So today's look is basically a dramatic Valentine's Day look for those who love the extraness like me. Yeah, so this look is definitely for you. So I did some glitter, I did a white liner, and I added my bomb mink lashes. That's from our lash line at Kliss Beauty Bar. So you guys, if you're interested in getting those lashes, you can link us and you can DM us on Instagram. That's Kliss Beauty Bar _cosmetics. I will leave it down below, so check that out in the description bar. I have to be hurrying up because I'm out of storage. So yeah guys, if you like this look, continue watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share. Alright guys, thank you.
Alright guys, so here I'll be using the Morphe palette and I'll be taking that shade. It kind of has tones of orange in it, so I'll be using that as my transition color. So basically I'm putting that in the crease and a little bit above my crease so that the other colors can blend in nicely. So then I'll be taking the nursery jelly. If you have petroleum jelly, that can be used as well, but this is what I had, so I just reached for it. So I basically use the wipes to just wipe off a little bit of the eyeshadow, and then I'll take the nursery jelly to basically cut the crease so that when I do use the concealer, it's really clean and sharp. So then I'll be using the makeup wipes to wipe off some of that nursery jelly, basically all of it, because I don't want it to be oily when I'm putting on the concealer, because the concealer does have in oil already. So then I'm going in with my concealer to cut the crease, make sure it's really sharp and nice. Again, if you do have hooded eyes, you can use that method of placing down the concealer and then looking up to know where your crease should be. So looking at my eyeshadow, I realized that the orange look or the brown look wasn't what I wanted. So I went in with my matte blush palette from Beauty Treats and I used the red in it to go over that shade. So that's what I'm doing right here. So then I'm using my Warriors palette from Juvia's I'm going to use the gold in that palette as my lid color, but first I'm patting down the concealer so there's no creasing. Then I'm going to go in with that gold shade. Now after I had put on the red color, I realized that the crease wasn't that sharp, so I used a flat eyeshadow brush, and basically go over where the crease was. So I'm just basically using the eyeshadow to cut the crease to make it sharp again, basically. So now I'm going to take my glitter base from J-Cat to apply it on top of the gold shade. So that's the adhesive that I'm going to use for the glitter. It's really nice. I like it. It's really affordable as well. So you guys, if you're looking for a glitter base, you can use this one. Again, it's from the J-Cat brand. So I used a small brush to apply it, and then I'm using this brush to spread it out some more. So now I'm going to take my NYX liner. This is the white eyeliner, and I'm going to use it directly in my crease. So here I'm going to take my gold glitter from the J-Cat brand. I really don't remember the name, nor is it on the bottle, but any gold glitter will do. If it's a case where you do want to recreate this look and do not want the glitter, you can go ahead and skip this step, jump right into your foundation and all of that, and apply your lashes, and your look will be completed. But I wanted glitter, so I'm applying glitter. Now after applying my glitter, I had went off camera and did my wing and applied my lashes and did the rest of my face. This palette that I'm using to do the bottom lash is what I had used for the red. I used the red out of it to go over the orange. So basically I just put some eyeshadow on the bottom lash line, and I will be using the purple shade as my blush as well. I do like this shade out of this palette. It's really nice. It's subtle. I don't like a lot of blush, so I always choose this one. So this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I did not get to record me doing my lips, but I basically use a pink lipstick from Black Radiance and a lavender lip liner. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you in the next one.